In our previous tutorial, we talked about the job files and we said that the edit icon will edit the highlighted job file. By touching the edit icon, we will get to a new screen that allows us to start with editing the job file in Delivery Setup. As mentioned before, the activated job file, manual in this case, tube size, time and date will be displayed on every screen. Job name displays the highlighted job file. Touching the Go Back Cancel icon will send us back to the home screen. When we press Edit, the red highlighted job file will be edited from the displayed list of the available job files. Now, when the box is selected, the user can enter a new job name up to 9 characters. Press Backspace to delete the existing name. Then we will quickly add Demo 1. If you like to cancel this, press X. But if you want to save it, press the tick button. Please note that the pump automatically adds the 2 digits, and these cannot be edited. Next, tube size allows you to select the tube size from a drop-down list. Right at the bottom of the screen is the tube material which can be selected from a drop-down list. Always check that information with the specifications from the tube you've got. Product-specific gravity is available to calculate the calibration factor. The default is 1. Flow rate allows us to set the flow rate within the limit of the selected tube. The units of the flow rate and time can be selected from a drop-down list. Flow rate indicator is a read-only value and displays the current flow rate as a percentage of the maximum available flow rate for the selected tube size. For the operation mode, we have Flow mode for continuous pumping, which is its default running time. Dose and batch mode. When the user selects this option, there will be additional parameters available for the user to set up. Please visit our other tutorials for how to edit a job file in batch or dose mode, which is found in the Mode tab. To save all the changes you've made, press the tick button. To cancel, press the Go Back icon.